Today I will tell you the top 5 termux commands you need to know to look cool. First one is pkg installed SL. Now type SL and enter. Nice. So the next command is pkg install toilet. Not this one. Now type toilet text -f border -gay. This command is weird. As you can see, it will make your text colorful because your life is not colorful.
That's not funny.
And if you want to see more functionalities of this command, then type toilet -help and use those. Like
Another one.
is.
Nice.
Okay, the next command is pkg installed libcaca. Now type cacafire. Okay, warning, this command is literally fire, so be careful.
Wow! Very dangerous!
The fourth command is really cool. Type this command and enter. Now the whole world is in your terminal. So if you want to explore this map, then you need these commands or use these keys. Like for going left, press A. For zooming, press A. And if you zoom more, then you can see more details. Also, if you want more clarity, then type C. And if you don't like it, then type C again. Now, the last command is the best one. Type this and add /. Now, if you want to know the weather condition of a place, just type the name of the place. It can be a country, a state, or anything. It should be in this Earth, not in other planet. And there is tons of other things that you can do with this command. Just go to their website and use those, and I will
See you next time.